Hi, this is Ms. Todoric, and I'm going to present ULTA. This is a business project presentation created by Carol.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel. Love your imperfections, I'll be angel. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. I just had to let you know the way that Gucci look on you amazing. And nothing can compare the way you naked. Tomorrow comes and goes before you know. So I just had to let you know. I just had to let you know.
So here is a slide of the company's history. It was founded in 1990. They are publicly traded on the NASDAQ. And as of 2023, the company has over 37,000 people and over 1,000 stores all over the 50 states. ULTA Beauty offers both high-end and low-end beauty products, including skincare, hair care, nail care, fragrances, and makeup brands, in addition to its own brand of cosmetics. They carry a bunch of brands such as like Lancome, Peach, Garnier, CoverGirl, Olay, and so much more. They also contain a beauty salon inside the store, which is very nice and convenient, and the professionals offer beauty services. They also send men's care products, including shaving, skincare, cologne, and body care. Customers can also book appointments at the salon for their hair, waxing, brows, makeup, eyelashes, skin services, and even ear piercing. Here are some interesting facts. Originally, the company was called ULTA 3, ULTA Salon, Cosmetics and Fragrance Incorporated. The first 5 stores were in Chicago, and the company name was later changed in 1999. Their slogan is "The possibilities are beautiful." They offer over 25,000 products, and they give back a lot to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. They partnered with Dress for Success, Step Up Women's Network, and so much more. And they also have so many different awards, including the Forbes Best Large Employees, Forbes Best Employers for Women, Diversity, and more. Job opportunities, they offer so many job opportunities around the world. Some jobs that Carol found with her research were beauty advisor, task associate, operations manager, guest coordinator, assistant stylist, and a lead cashier. The age to work there, you have to be 16. Now, you do need to get a valid license if you are interested in working at the salon as like a hairstylist, cosmetology, a barber, but no relevant work experience is required. Teens working at ULTA stores receive a discount of 25% off of retail products and half off salon services, which is great. That's great. Okay, my favorite slide. Internships, grants, or scholarships. They do offer internships. Over the years, they have internship programs to bring what student learns in the classroom into real-world professional experiences. Love it. They have a summer internship program called GLOW. They have some positions, internal audit intern. They have an investor relations intern, digital diversity, equity, inclusion, so on and so forth. Looks like there's a bunch of internships. Opportunities at ULTA are corporate strategy, merchandising, and legal services. human resources, supply chain. Oh, the list goes on and on, etc., etc. They don't really offer scholarship. I guess she couldn't find anything. However, the company has an annual scholarship reward for up to $1,000 for those who qualify and are students of the Salon Academy in cosmetology or one of those programs. Well, that's great. So if you do get your foot in the door, and then if you decide to get licensed and stuff like that, they do help you. So that's a good reward. They do have other retail readiness programs and partnerships. Stock price. Ooh, how could I miss the stock price? Go back. One of my favorite slides as well. All right, so this is what's called the ticker symbol. So on the NASDAQ, you'll see this is an easy one. It's ULTA. Usually it's like 3-4 letters. So ULTA is ULTA, ULTA. Today, and it's February, she probably did this, let's just say the month of February 2024. Per share, you're looking at $527. So she also included the previous close, probably the yearly highs, lows, and some details over here. She would invest in stock, so would I. And I would definitely, I know there's the closest ULTA that I know, we're in Westchester County and Mount Vernon, is the one in Dobbs Ferry. I'm pretty sure there are other ones, but that's the one I know, right by the Chipotle near Greenberg 11 over there at Dobbs Ferry, New York. So next time on my drive home, because it's on my way, I will definitely go inside and do a YouTube short. So for those students who have never been to an Ulta Beauty store, you'll see the salon. I'll just take some quick footage and show you. All right, time for the video. Oops, hold on, let me get this volume. I don't know if the volume will play, but I'll just have my music in the background if it doesn't. So she put a commercial. So I asked students to either put like a video or like a commercial of possibly because a lot of companies on their homepage, they'll have like a new product that's out, a new make and model of a particular car, a new collection, like Dolce & Gabbana, my recent YouTube short was like the Carnation collection. So it's nice to see what companies are up to, and especially like technology too. There's so many advances in technology. So I'd like to have some visual. So the commercial was definitely a plus. And then if you have companies, just even like interesting, like watching the Super Bowl, having those commercials within your PowerPoint presentation, it just makes it so much more interesting. All right, so that's the commercial. I don't want to get no copyright strikes, so I'll probably just do my own music, but you can I'll probably put the link. Actually, she has references, so you can take a look at her references. All right, next slide. That's pretty much it. And here, lastly, I asked for all students to put the references. So she's got her YouTube. That's probably most likely the commercial, Business Insider, Wikipedia, Careers, and then Ulta. If I were to click, a lot of the times the students had to work at home with their research, because if I click on one of these links, because it looks like as if we're shopping, it's probably blocked by our district. So unfortunately, some companies, let's find out. Students couldn't do this in class. They had to do most of the work at home. All right, so let's see if it's blocked. And my Wi-Fi is very slow, but we're getting there. Drink my Dunkin' Donuts. Shout out to Dunkin' Donuts, my refresher. No, so yeah, it's blocked. All right, so you have the links there. Like I said, I'm gonna put this file, because I like all students to have this, have reference to this. Everything is on the coolclassroom.com. You click on lesson plans, and then inside the lesson plans, you're gonna see all the files. So all the PowerPoint. So if you need this, this will help you. There's resume files. There's a ton of files for you as a student. All right. So till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.